Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add priority here in Asana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Asana, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding priority to tasks in Asana helps you and your team focus on what's important. Because here, basically, prioritization helps team members focus on the most important tasks first, ensuring that high impact work is completed before less critical tasks. Now I'm going to go to the project that I'm currently working with, and then now to add priority in a specific task, for example, this one, go to this plus button beside due date and assignee. All right, click on it. There's going to be a section that says single select. Right, you see there should be a field title for priority. Let's do that. Priority. Now you can add a description. For example, this one, you can have type an option name and add an option if you wanted. You can add that to your workspace field library. You can notify collaborators when this field's value is changed. All right. Now I'm going to make it like add priority in Asana. It's red. That means it needs priority, right? Red indicates it's very important, it's urgent, and gives you a sense of urgency because priorities help communicate the importance of tasks across the team, reducing misunderstandings about what should be tackled first. I want you to click on create field, just wait for it to load, and you see you're going to be able to have that the priority, right? You have the drop down here. For example, you want to set the column width for wide. You can also have the option to edit field if you wanted. For example, this has already been updated, so you just have to for example, you want to delete that, you can do so as well, because knowing which tasks are important here in Asana allows team members to manage their time better, focusing their efforts where they are needed most. Because some tasks are time sensitive, ensuring that deadlines are met, preventing delays in the overall project timeline. So I always do this a lot. I'm working with multiple freelancers and clients, so I always make sure that one of the team members upload the YouTube channel for our Andy's Guides videos on time, on schedule. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.